What we're doing right now is we're replacing the front grille with a much cleaner one. It's going to look similar to the Ford Raptor one, not exactly. We're going to use a trim removing tool. We're going to remove all the tabs. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. And then you're going to get your Phillips, and you're going to remove the screws that hold the intake snorkel in. Use a Torx screw to remove the intake mouth off. Come in and pretty much massage this out slowly so you don't break anything. And this is off. I'm gonna put it aside. Next, we're gonna take off this little cover over here that holds the front grille in place, along with the two 10mm bolts on this side. Just taking a couple of bolts off. Okay, now we're gonna need to remove this shroud cover. There's 4 Torx T25s, and you don't even need a socket for like a ratchet on these. You could spin these by hand. They're barely tightened on. We're gonna go ahead and remove them to clear the way. All right, folks, we were able to finally install the new grille. Since the US is not gonna be getting the Ranger Raptor, we went ahead and ordered a grille, a full grille of what you would see on the Raptor Ranger, and we installed it. It looks perfect, it fits perfect, and we'll sure to list it on our website for you. I hope you found this install helpful, and hopefully it would make your job easier. If you need help with this install or any other install, or have questions on any products that we offer, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. I will leave my contact information for you below. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you again.